Yesterday, the price of the gold has jumped around, and we can see that the price formed a bullish candle with a larger wick on the lower side, where the price has gone below 2787.96 support level, and it has reached almost this uptrend trend line, which is acting now as a support. And from there, the price bounced back up, trying to make a bullish breakout about 2813.70, which is the next resistance level. And we can see that the price is currently forming a bullish candle, but it is start of the day, so we cannot make any too big conclusions. But what I can see currently, the price is still in the uptrend, which means that the bullish strength is still active on the market, and this is something that what I'm expecting currently for today. Because of the all-time high price level, I have drawn also new price levels where I'm expecting the price could reach in the next following days based on the daily time frame, but also on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. There are also some levels in between these higher time frame levels, which the price needs to make a breakout above in order to continue to rise in value. And we can see that this uptrend channel, which has been formed, I have created today, shows me that there is a resistance in terms of price, which means that the price will have a little bit harder way to reach higher price levels, which means there is potentially lower pace for the price to go even higher. So what I'm expecting currently, I'm waiting for the bullish breakout above this area of resistance on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which will confirm me that this price will continue to rise in value, forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. Then also confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one, as a support, which will 2813.70 act as a support and continue to rise in value. So pay attention for also what happens on the lower time frame, just to confirm the breakout in any of the direction. But currently I'm seeing that the price will try to reach higher price levels, which means a bullish breakout. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.